Hello everyone, our today's topic is meme drawing and subtopic is Holi. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, poster colors, brushes, palette, long scale, black microtip pen and 1/4 side drawing paper. First we are going to draw 1 centimeter border line to all the four sides of the paper and then we are going to start our drawing. First, we divide this paper into two parts, foreground and background, with this horizontal line. Then we are going to start on a drawing. Here we are going to draw some childs playing in a Holi with the colors of different colorful colors. So first I am going to show now this boy is playing in a Holi here. As you know that in earlier videos of meme drawing, I already told these informations that you need to draw on a human figures approximately 15 to 20 centimeter in heights, and minimum 4 human figures are required for the meme drawings. More than 4 human figures you can draw, but minimum 4 human figures are required for the meme drawings. If you are a beginner, this is a basic drawing for students of the school. So you need to draw at least 4 human figures with a simple pose like side view and front view. Here you can see uh, this girl is facing toward us, so that this is in a front view and that boy is in a side view. So I'm not going to show any critical or difficult pose in this meme drawing. This is a basic meme drawing. So just we are going to draw on a simple poses here. Three full figures are here for the meme drawing and one half figure behind on a wall I'm showing here. Whenever you start in a drawing should be light, and after finalizing your drawing or arranging your drawing on a paper, you should darken your drawing and then starts coloring. Here I'm going to show you a demonstrations. That's why it is difficult for me to show on a lighter drawings here. That's why I'm showing on a direct final drawing here with a 2B pencil. But you need to arrange in a drawing with a light pencil or a light stroke, so that after that you can finalize. If your arrangement is proper, you can finalize with a 2B pencil and darken this drawing, finalize this drawing. You need not add details in first drawing. You should arrange in a drawing just outlines and some minute details you can show here, and afterward when you color it, or if you want to add details when you finalize your drawing, that time you can add details, but not more details you can add here, because while coloring this drawing all these details might be fade out. So you need to show minimum details here, and while coloring you can add details. Now this is our full drawing with all the details that I required for the coloring. Three full figures, one half figure behind this wall, one house behind that figures, and some small details. Now I am adding some flow of the colors. uh, in this coloring I am showing both the technique of the poster colors, transparent and opaque coloring. So first you need to apply some transparent colors, like color with more water you can apply on a paper. You don't rub on a brush on a paper, Just apply on a color on a paper and keep it like this. After some time when it's dry, it's look good. Like here you can see after drying this all the transparent color, it's look good. Now I am adding some basic colors on a cloth and human figures that you already saw in the earlier assignments also, that how we color this meme drawing. Every time we take on a new topics. This time I am taking on a Holi, the festival of color. So this is very much basic topic for the school students and students those are appear for the elementary intermediate exam. So this is very much beneficial for you to learn this topic. I am applying some basic colors here, and all the colors are the fresh colors, but every time I am add two colors and make a new color. Like for the yellow I am not taking it directly on a lemon yellow color. uh, I mix chrome yellow and lemon yellow together and make a new yellow color. Like on a green also I am taking on a poster green plus small amount of yellow, so I get an a viridian green color. Like that everywhere I am making different shades of the color, so it's looks attractive. As well as when we make different shades of the colors, we learn different shades of the colors, that we are making different shades of the colors. And because of that different shades, the memo drawing also look different, as well as attractive, as well as the concentration point also improve. For the skin tone, as I have already told you, I am using a yellow ochre, yellow, red and white combinations. If you have a fresh tint color, you can use it, but you can see here I am showing a different skin tone for the each figure. Some are the slightly fair, some are slightly darker. So all the three figures have different shades of the skin tone. So for that you can use a brown or the yellow ochre combinations, so you get some different shades of the color. Also you need to show the dimensions, and that time you required red and brown color to show the three dimensions. Every object or every design you need to show a dimension, and that time you require three tones, at least minimum three tones you require. So for that I am taking light, middle and dark tones. So first we work it on a middle tone and a dark tone, and then finally we work it on a lighter tones, that is highlight. Basically it's on a five tone, but we consider it's on a three tones, light, middle and dark. But actually it's on a extreme light, light, middle, dark and extreme dark shade of the color. Because of the vibrations of this all the tones of the colors, it's look very good, and it gets a depth in a memory drawing. You can see I am showing some depth inside this window, showing in a blackout in house, so we get some depth here. Also somewhere in a tree also I am showing some depth. In the background buildings also I am showing some different tones. So here also we showing another depth in a building, as well as in a sky, bushes, and in some background also we showing some depth. And because of this depth we showing a perspective in a memory drawing also. that we can learn in an advanced level of memory drawing. Now, in a foreground, you can see some water or some colors are fall in this ground. So, this is in a scenario or the feeling of this holy we can showing here. Now, this is in a dimensions on a blue color. We adding some dark blue color in it so that we can show the dimension, and like that we show like on a fold here with these dark tones. Now these figures gets on a dimensions you can see, and these buckets also. Now we are showing on a dimensions on a human figures and the objects. This is on a borderline for the human figures you can see, and because of these borderlines, this all the human figures are come out from the memory drawings. Now it gets in a dimensions, a proper dimension. Now you can see all the feelings of this boy and the girls, the face expressions, all we can see properly here. Now you can see here all the fingers, all the folds, and everything you can see here because of these borderlines. We can make these borderlines with the zero number brush, or if you want to make this borderline with the black micro tape pen, you can do it, because it's slightly difficult for the beginners to make a borderline with the zero number brush. It's need a practice. If you do some 6 to 7 memory drawing with the zero number brush borderline, definitely you get some practice and you can make it properly, but you need a practice for that. Now you can see all the human figures with the dimensions. uh, every time I am showing some different color schemes as well as some different tones. The memory drawing is very much important for the elementary intermediate grade examination. It's a part of the elementary intermediate grade examination subjects, uh, as well as this is very much important for those are making a career or want to career in a drawing field, because this is a basic step for the animations as well as the figure study. Those are want to uh, learn on a fine art. This all the memory drawings and all these parts is very much important, and all the color schemes as well as the dimensions all are required in this study of the drawing. Everywhere we show the dimensions or the border lines with this zero number brush. We add some minute details in it. The Holi is the festival of the colors, so the colors on the cloth as well as on a ground or in a background, we show finally. This is our final step of the applications of the color. So first we draw this drawing, arrangement of the drawing, then apply some basic tones of the colors, uh, then apply some dimensions, then we put an outline or show the outlines, give an outlines to the objects so that and the figures so that it's come out from the memory drawing, and then we add some highlights. uh, the final steps is highlights. Here we showing some shadow also so that it gets a dimension. We adding some shadow as well as some highlights on a human figures as well as the objects and the background, and then finally to show the holy topic we add some colors, tones on a objects as well as human figures, so we can easily show the topic Holi here. So I hope you understand this demonstration. Every time I bring a new topic for you, this is on a new topic and the latest topic. After 1 or 2 months, we have on a holy festival, and that time you might be required this drawing to do in your school as well as some practice. So I am hope that this is very much important or very much helpful for you to learn this mimic drawing. So this is some colors tones or the fresh colors I am showing on a human figure as well as on a background. I hope you understand. Keep watching and learn different types and techniques of the drawing and painting. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and best of luck.